Welcome back to Crash the Threat. So before we start today's video, guess what this is? So I did talk with some people on YouTube, not YouTube, Roblox, and told them about the RAR board. So this is what it is. I already added some names, like my channel name, my other channel's name, Highly Fun, my brother, Rocky, my two cousins. And so yeah. So if you comment down below and subscribe, then I'm gonna put you on the RAR board. But if you put comment in multiple times, like some people, I'm gonna put you just for today. I'm gonna put you on the board like a couple of times. But I'm not gonna do that anymore because that's a mistake. Okay, so I have a lot of names to add, so I'm gonna go check them and then come back. Okay, these are all the people that subscribed. I feel like one of them didn't subscribe though. Oh. Okay, let me hold on. Okay, these are all the people that subscribed and commented. See, these are all the people from Roblox. This person is the one that commented multiple times. So I want to give him or her. No, it was him on Roblox. It was the multiple times he commented. So let's see how many times he commented. Okay. This was a video with the most comments. Say hi to 3 people. Okay, so I'm gonna write his name, random hand, 4 times. Wow. It's me, Blue Country gets 1. I think he also commented on my first video. Hold on, I'm gonna check this out. Okay, I remembered all the names except for one, because it was long. Okay, let me start writing. Oh, I also forgot another girl. The Tina girl. Okay, more names. Oh, this guy right. Olga Gonzo. And this one I remember pretty well. Oh. And then the Hatina. Okay, I'm just gonna write. Olga gets 2. Freddy 1, random hand 4 times. I might have to extend this board. At random hand. I'll continue. Can't remember the last name. Is it hi or is it hey? That took forever. I finally remembered the name. Okay. This one's a really long name, but it's interesting. Hi. Good job to all of you. You for being able to get on the roar board. It's looking pretty full. Oh, except for here, but we wanted to get fuller still. Oh, make sure to subscribe, you guys, and comment. Today, sorry, the purpose of this video is to make some slime. I don't know, I'll try to hold this slime in because this has glitter in it. So I'm gonna use purple slime. And today, slime glue is extremely easy. Oh wait, if I put, one sec. So making slime glue is very easy. It's not really that messy either. So here's my container. Oh, wait, one sec. Switch. Channel or destination, please don't mind the mess. Okay, so you take the powder you want to use. I'm using purple powder today. And then I'm gonna, I really like crunchy slime, so I'm gonna try making some, because this is the final time I got foam beads. So I'm gonna try making something crunchy. Okay, this is so hard to open. Oh, I have scissors somewhere. Okay, it's over there. I have to go get it. Okay, again. Okay. Okay, so without anything spilling, you need the whole thing. Okay, all that's fine. Most of it is poured out. So now we're gonna go to the washroom to get warm water to mix it with. I'm gonna reuse this popsicle stick because reusing is amazing. Okay, this is my washroom. Okay, so wait for it to get to a good temperature. And I'm also washing my nails. Why is it so cold? Yeah, it's getting warmer. Warmer. A little bit more warm. Okay, it's at a good temperature. I just want to wash my hands. Okay, we're gonna fill it up, but hopefully it doesn't overflow. Okay, that's good. Now you just need to stir your slime goo. Oh, I did the wrong end. Okay. We're gonna switch our destination. Okay. So you want to mix it very thoroughly, no chunks left. Because that's what happened to my last time and it got very chunky. You don't want chunky slime. So like this, you don't want chunks like that. So you gotta mix it really well. I'm also gonna make it very crunchy. I dropped some. My mom. Is there? Okay, maybe. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, there's still chunks. I'm just gonna let's hit it a lot of times. And then the chunks start going away. Because if you have chunks, it's gonna go in your actual slime. I know it's watery now, but if you leave it to set, okay, that's good. This side's good. Mix. Okay, I'm looking for chunks. That's good. There's no chunk. I'm gonna give it a nice stir and then let it set. You gotta let it set for 10 minutes. So I need to find something to do for 10 minutes. Oh no, there's still chunks. I think I just need to mix it better. Taking forever. Okay, now I'll let it set. We're gonna take a break. Okay, so I'm gonna check on it. Okay. Wow, very slimy. Oh, I wish I risked it. Okay. How about that? Okay. Whoa, this is a very good quality. I love it. See, I'm stirring it a bit so it gets off the wall. Now I'm gonna play with it in my hands. And remember, after you play with slime, you better wash your hands very thoroughly. Ooh, it's so sticky. I might let it set a bit more. Yeah, but that's how you make slime, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.